Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Amit Hassan. Well, in the previous video, we learned about the basics of loading and understanding the data. Well, this is a follow-up series, and in this video, we are going to learn how to visualize the data. Before getting into the video, I must tell you the importance of visualization. Well, the importance of visualization plays a vital role in data science. It can make big or small data easier to understand for human brain. Also, it can be helpful in many ways, like you can understand the patterns, the trends, the missing values of the data. So I hope you get the importance of data visualization. Well, before getting into the video, I have to say that this is a follow-up video of the previous video. So if you haven't checked the previous video, please do check the previous video on my YouTube channel. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand the terms and the things I'm going to do here. Well, so let's get into the video. This is the previous notebook that I have created on the last video. So you can see that I have studied about the data and what are the columns of the data, what are the null values of the data, etc. So now we are going to visualize the data. Well, for the visualization, we are going to use two packages. One is Matplotlib and one is Seaborn. So first I have to import the packages. So I am writing import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Well, this will load the Matplotlib package for us in the notebook. Next, we are going to write Matplotlib. Well, this, I guess the spelling is right. Yes, Matplotlib inline. The next line we are going to import the Seaborn package. So import Seaborn as SNS, and next we are going to set the Seaborn as default for plots. So for that, SNS set. Well, let's run it. Well, so if you haven't installed the packages, so I have to say that you first go to write matplotlib, then you will find that and follow the instruction that how you can install Matplotlib on your machine, and follow the same instruction for the Seaborn. Well, let's get into the codes. So now we are going to create a function for our visualization. So I am going to create definition bar chart. We are using the bar charts feature. First I have to write the survived people. Survived equal to train. Oh, I have forgot to say the one thing, that I have renamed the dataset 1 with train and dataset 2 with the test for my advantage purpose. Well, so let's write train. There's a survived column, and then if it is equal to 1, then value underscore counts. It will count the values. On the next line, I will copy the line and paste it here. Then now I'm going to count the dead peoples. Dead from train, survived equal to, here let's make it 0, value counts. Okay, I hope it's fine. Then df equal to pd dot data frame survived dot date. I'm going to the names, date, then I am going to write df index, the index names, survived sorry sir. Then I'm going to write dead. Next I'm going to write plot. Then I have to define the kind that I want the bar kind of visualization. Then stacked equal to, I'm going to set it true. Then I have to define the figure size. For this I have to write fixed size. Then I have to set it to 10:5. You can set it at your choice. Then I will run this. Okay, so now we want our data to be divided into in terms of sex, that how many males and females were survived. So for that we are going to write bar underscore chart, and we want to them in terms of sex. So we are going to write print. So we want the number of people who were survived, and then I'm going to new line. Then I'm going to write train, and under that there's a column that is named as survived. And if this condition this condition is 1, and then the column sex, and then I want those values, value underscore count. I hope this is okay. Then I will copy this and do the same for the peoples who were not survive, and set this condition to 0 and run this. So here you go. It shows that 233 females were survived and 109 males were survived. So here's the bar chart. This is the survived bar, and this is the dead people's bar. And you can clearly say that women are more likely survive than men in this data set. Well, interesting, right? Well, so moving on, now we want our visualization divided in terms of class. Then how many people from first class, how many people from second class and third class are survived or not survived in the Titanic ship. So for that we are going to write bar chart, and this is for P class. So under that let's write print, and we will do the same thing. So I will just copy this thing and paste it here, and just replace this with P class and this with P class. Let's just run it. So you can see that it says that from first class 136 people, from third class 119 people, from second class 87 people were survived. And from this visualization you can see that this is the survived people, and I have differentiated them: first class with blue, second class with orange, and third class with green color. I am not going to make this video so much lengthy with these visualizations, so I will make another part of this video to show you much more visualization. And in future videos you will see the feature engineering of this dataset. Well, all the necessary documentations and notebooks are given in the description box. Please do check them, and please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video if you like it. Please do subscribe for the next video update. Till then, goodbye. Thanks for watching.